Today is our lecture 4 that is based upon the vowel sounds. So vowel sounds are there are two vowel sounds, short vowels and long vowels. And we have a five vowels A, E, I, O, U. These vowels has a represent 10 sounds, 5 short sounds and 5 long sounds. We practice the sound with the help of comparison of the two sounds together. So let's start. The first sound is the sound of A. Hat, hate, bat, bait, lack, lake, sat, sit, tack, take, gap, gape, ban, bane, tap, tape, ran, rain, pan, pain. So here you see how the A in the short and long pronouns. So in a short vowel sound, it's simply pronounced as A. But in the long vowel sound is pronounced A. So here you see short and long A sounds are articulated and pronounced. Next, we have a sound of I. I in a short sound pronounced like E. E. But in a long vowel sound, it's pronounced like E. E. Okay. So now practice with me. Bit, bite, fin, fine, rip, ripe, sit, sight, dim, dime, lit, light, kit, kite, bill, bile, mit, might, tim, time, fit, fight, lick, like. So here you see how the short vowel sound and long vowel sound of I is pronounced. So practice until you get fluent in this sound. So next sound is U sound. So the U sound in a short vowel sound pronounced like oo, oo. But in a long vowel sound it pronounced like oo. So now here is the list. Now practice with me. Cube, luck, Luke, run, rune, sun, soon, rub, rube, tub, tube, duck, duke, mud, mood, nut, nude, fuss, fuse. So here you see how the U sound is pronounced. So practice until you get fluent in this sound. The next sound is the sound E. E. How the E short and long vowels are pronounced. How the sound of E pronounced in short and long vowel. So in short vowel it's pronounced like E. E. In long vowel it present as E. E. So here is a list. Now practice with me. Bat, beat, set, seat, del, deal, hell, heel, let, lead, wet, weak, bed, bead, fell, feel, ben, bean, sell, seal, met, meet, pip, peep. So here you see how the E sound pronounced in short and long vowels. Now practice and until you get fluent. Okay, the last sound is the O sound. How the O sound in short and long vowels present. Okay, short vowel it present oo, oo, and it long vowel it's present ooh, ooh. Here is a list. Then practice with me. Boot, boot, dot, doot, got, mop, mop, coat, coat, rod, rod, cop, cop, nod, nod, hop, hop, soap, soap. You see how the O sound is pronounced. So practice until you get fluent in that sound. Thank you.